Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where you get the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into upcoming two-wheelers. Today, we're exploring the new 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160, a motorcycle that has earned massive trust over the years for its comfort, simplicity, and long-term reliability. The 2026 model takes those strengths and pushes them a step further with refined performance and a fresh modern touch. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160 continues its legacy of being a clean, simple, and mature-looking commuter motorcycle. The overall silhouette remains familiar, but Honda has added sharper tank shrouds, a sleeker headlamp design, and subtle new graphics. The fit and finish feel premium, with improved panel quality and tighter build consistency. Honda has also slightly redesigned the seat cushioning to enhance rider and pillion comfort. The upright riding posture remains unchanged, making the Unicorn 160 suitable for daily office rides, long-distance commutes, and even occasional highway travel. The heart of the 2026 Unicorn 160 is its refined 160 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine tuned for smoothness and high fuel efficiency. Honda's latest EcoBoost technology improves throttle response while keeping vibrations at a minimum. The engine continues to deliver the dependable mid-range torque that the Unicorn series is known for. Gear shifts feel crisp, and the overall tuning makes the bike ideal for city traffic where low-end power matters most. The mileage is expected to be impressive, giving riders a budget-friendly experience in everyday commuting. For 2026, Honda has introduced several updates without compromising the simplicity that Unicorn fans appreciate. The bike now gets a semi-digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, trip meter, and real-time mileage. The illumination is clearer and more visible in sunlight. Honda has also worked on improving braking performance by including a refined front disc with single-channel ABS, ensuring safer braking during sudden stops. The telescopic front suspension and adjustable rear monoshock add to its comfortable and stable ride quality. Comfort has always been a major factor behind the Unicorn's success, and the 2026 model stays true to that DNA. The seat height is balanced for riders of different heights, and the cushioning is supportive even on longer journeys. The handlebar position and foot peg alignment reduce fatigue, while the suspension setup absorbs bad roads with ease. The bike also offers a generous fuel tank capacity, making it practical for riders who prefer fewer refueling stops. Whether it's commuting within the city or a weekend trip, the Unicorn 160 handles both with confidence. Honda aims to position the 2026 Unicorn 160 as a premium yet practical commuter. It is expected to offer a balance of technology, reliability, and affordability. Riders looking for a long-lasting engine, superior comfort, and minimal maintenance will find the new Unicorn a strong value proposition. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 160 stays faithful to its roots while evolving with modern upgrades. It's a motorcycle built for daily riders who prioritize comfort, smooth performance, and reliability. With enhanced features and Honda's trusted engineering, the 2026 model continues the Unicorn legacy with pride. Thanks for watching Bike Shift.